Hey, Wealth Tubers. Today, we're diving into a financial topic that's often shrouded in allure but comes with its own set of dangers: zero-interest loans. On the surface, they may appear to be a fantastic way to make big purchases without the added burden of interest payments. However, before you jump in, it's crucial to understand the hidden pitfalls that can turn this seemingly perfect deal into a financial headache. From unexpected fees to the temptation to overspend, we'll uncover the truths behind zero-interest loans and help you navigate this enticing yet treacherous territory wisely. Let's get started. In a world where savvy consumers are always on the lookout for the best deals, zero-interest loans have emerged as a tempting option for those eyeing significant purchases. They promise an enticing way to buy cars, electronics, and more without the burden of interest payments. But while the allure of no interest can be hard to resist, it's essential to peel back the layers and understand the potential risks that come along with these seemingly great offers. Let's dive into what zero-interest loans really entail, the temptations they present, and the pitfalls you need to watch out for.
Companies that offer zero-interest loans.
Imagine strolling through a dealership or a flashy electronics store, where the air is thick with promises of zero-interest loans, touted as no-lose opportunities for anyone looking to make a big purchase. It sounds tempting, right? You can spread the cost of that dream car or the latest tech gadget over months or even years, all without paying a dime in interest. It seems like a win-win situation, especially for managing cash flow. But beware. These loans come with their own traps, like the temptation to splurge impulsively and the risk of hefty penalties if you slip up on the terms. While zero-interest loans can be a great deal if used wisely, it's crucial to read the fine print. Many of these offers come with deferred interest clauses, meaning if you miss a payment or fail to pay off the balance within a certain time frame, all the interest you would have been charged from the start is suddenly added to your balance. This can quickly turn what seemed like a no-cost deal into a financial headache. So, before jumping in, make sure you're clear on the terms and confident in your ability to meet the payment deadlines.
Zero-interest loan basics.
So, what exactly is a zero-interest loan? As the name implies, it's a deal where you only pay back the principal amount, as long as you stick to the strict deadlines laid out in the agreement. Miss that deadline, and you could face some serious consequences, including backdated interest that can turn your sweet deal sour. These loans are often offered at car dealerships and electronics retailers, facilitated by third-party lenders, not the stores themselves. To snag one of these deals, you typically need a FICO score of at least 740, and these offers often stretch over 72 to 84 months. But there's more to consider before diving in. While the allure of a zero-interest loan can be strong, it's essential to evaluate your financial habits and overall budget. These loans can sometimes encourage overspending, as the lack of interest may make it feel easier to stretch your limits. Additionally, be mindful of the total cost of the purchase. Are you truly getting a good deal, or is the price inflated to offset the zero-interest incentive? By keeping a close eye on your spending and understanding the full financial picture, you can ensure that a zero-interest loan works in your favor rather than becoming a financial burden down the road.
Zero-interest loans and impulse buying.
Now, let's talk about the catchy ads you hear on the radio, pushing those zero-interest loan promotions. It's easy to get swept away by the allure, but you should only take the bait if you truly need that new ride and can actually afford it. Unfortunately, many buyers find themselves swayed into making impulsive purchases that they really can't justify. Salespeople know this all too well and often use zero-interest deals to coax customers into pricier options, hoping to pad their commissions. Plus, those sweet financing offers can lead to buyers overpaying just because they're focused on the low-interest lure.
Zero-interest loans and overspending.
You walk into a dealership, and instead of considering a reasonable used car for $20,000, you're dazzled by a shiny new model priced at $30,000. You think, hey, I'm not paying any interest, so why not? This mindset can lead you to overspend your hard-earned cash, rationalizing the splurge instead of sticking to a sensible budget. The thrill of getting something new can cloud your judgment, turning a well-planned purchase into an impulsive decision. As you sit behind the wheel of that shiny new car, the excitement may overshadow the reality of your budget and long-term financial goals. You might tell yourself that you'll manage the payments easily, but without a firm budget in place, those extra monthly costs can add up quickly, leaving you stretched thin. Before you know it, what began as a seemingly smart financial move could turn into a source of stress, making it crucial to set limits and prioritize your financial health over temporary excitement.
Zero-interest loan penalties and fees.
While zero-interest loans might seem like a dream come true, they can quickly morph into a nightmare if you don't fully understand the terms. Lenders are often quick to revoke that sweet 0% rate if you miss even a single payment. This isn't just for installment loans like cars, it applies to revolving debt too, such as those 0% APR credit cards. If you're considering one of these deals, be vigilant about the penalties for late payments or for straying outside the agreed-upon terms. What credit score do I need to qualify for a zero-interest loan? Most zero-interest loans are reserved for those who have a solid credit score of 740 or better. Lenders see strong credit as less risky, making these offers more accessible. If your score is below this mark, you might still get a zero-interest loan, but the terms could be less favorable, with shorter repayment periods or extra fees. You may also face higher interest rates, leading to increased costs over time. It's crucial to assess your credit history and improve your score to access better financing options across the board. If you're below 740, consider strategies like paying down debt, making timely payments, and correcting any inaccuracies on your credit report before applying.
Can I pay off a zero-interest loan early?
Paying off a zero-interest loan early can sometimes come with penalties, but not always. It's crucial to read the fine print of your loan agreement to identify any prepayment penalties before signing on the dotted line. Some lenders may encourage early repayment by offering flexible terms, while others might impose fees that can diminish the benefits of paying off the loan sooner. Understanding these details can help you make an informed decision. If you're considering paying off your loan early, weigh the potential savings against any penalties to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. By being proactive and informed, you can maximize the advantages of your loan agreement.
What happens if I'm late on my zero-interest loan?
Every loan varies, but many zero-interest loans will pull the rug out from under you and end the promotional rate if you're even a day late on a payment. Always read the fine print regarding penalties and the conditions of the promotional rate.
The bottom line.
While avoiding interest is always a smart move, zero-interest loans can lead you into the trap of overspending and come with numerous strings attached. Before diving in, ask yourself, is this really what I intended to buy? Will I realistically pay off the loan within the time frame? Proceed with caution and stay informed. Navigating the world of zero-interest loans can be tricky, and while the allure of no interest is tempting, it's crucial to approach these offers with caution. By understanding the potential pitfalls and knowing what to watch out for, you can make informed decisions that align with your financial goals. Remember, it's all about finding the right balance between enjoying your purchases and maintaining your financial health. So, next time you hear that catchy jingle or enticing ad for a zero-interest loan, take a moment to reflect. Is it truly the right move for you? Stay savvy and make choices that benefit your future. Thanks for watching, WealthTubers. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends. I appreciate all your support. See you in the next video.